Now this is the second concept, that is the cell in parallel combination. So these are the same cell, but these are connected in the parallel combination. How? The one terminal of the each cell is connected to the one single point, that is A, and the negative electrode of the cell are connected to the other single point, that is B. So all the cells are connected between the points A and B, having same EMF capital E and internal resistance small r, and this combination is connected to the external resistance capital R. I is the total current flowing in the capital R. Now in this condition, when M identical cell, I have considered there are M cells which are connected in parallel combination. Okay, so we can represent it like this, dotted. So dot means up to M cells. So M identical cells, each having EMF capital E and internal resistance small r, are connected to external resistance capital R. So equivalent internal resistance will be what? 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon R plus 1 upon R up to M times. So 1 by Rp is equal to what? M upon R. So Rp comes out to be R upon M. Now in the parallel combination, you all know very well, all the cells are connected between the two common points. So the net EMF between the point A and B will be the total EMF of the circuit, and that will remain same as capital E. Okay, so equivalent EMF between the point A and B, that will be equal to E. Total resistance of the circuit, because capital R is also here, so I told you internal resistance will be added in the capital R in this manner, R plus R upon M, this value I have added here. Now current in capital R, when this current flowing in the capital R, what is this? I is equal to total EMF of the circuit and total resistance of the circuit divided by. So I is equal to E upon R plus R upon M. Now take the LCM, so you will be getting ME upon R plus MR. So this is the expression you have got for the total current flowing in the capital R. Now after that, there are two cases again in which condition the current will be maximum in capital R. So for first case, if I will consider that capital R is very much less than R by M, total internal resistance से कम है अगर capital R, so R can be neglected in the expression. So if R will be neglected in the expression, you have got ME upon small r only. Okay, so this will be ME upon small r. And what does this expression represent? Current in capital R, because this is the current in capital R. Current in capital R is M times the current in the single cell, because this is the EMF of single cell and this is the internal resistance of the single cell. So the current in capital R is equal to N times current in the single cell, and this value is maximum because this value will be M times. And second case, if capital R is much greater than R by M, then R by M neglected. When R by M neglected, then you have got ME E upon R. R by M neglected, so you will be getting E by R. So you have got E by R. This is the current flowing in capital R. Okay, and this value we can say current in capital R is the current in the single cell, क्योंकि यही करंट सिंगल सेल में भी जाएगी और यही करंट होगी जो कैपिटल आर में भी जाएगी. क्लियर? सो द करंट इन कैपिटल आर इज इक्वल टू करंट इन द सिंगल सेल. Hence, in which condition I will be maximum? This is the condition in which the current is M times the current in the single cell. So I will be maximum when R is very much greater than R is very much less than capital small r by M. So in this case, in this combination, this is a condition in which we have got maximum current.